Okay, let's get a check of the business news now and bring in Commsec. Tom Piotrowski over at Commsec, I should say. How are you, Tom, this morning? Good?
Thanks for asking, Pete. Yeah, really well.
Okay, good to know. Right, so as we know, financial markets fell off a cliff because of Liz Truss. She's now not going to be the Prime Minister of the UK. Should there be some kind of reversal, do you expect, when it comes to money markets?
Well, it's a good point that you make, Pete. There was extraordinary volatility in preceding weeks around the Truss initiatives that were stimulating the UK economy at a time when the Bank of England was trying to neutralise stimulation to contain inflation and sort of withdraw liquidity and a whole range of other issues. So what makes it very interesting is that the behaviour of the UK markets overnight was very mundane under the circumstances. There was almost an air of inevitability about her being replaced ultimately. Mr Sunak, the former Chancellor of the Exchequer, is the front runner to be the new Prime Minister. The continuity around the financial side of things is what is reassuring the markets at the moment. We only saw very modest moves where the stocks were concerned. The FTSE was up by 0.25%. The British pound against the US dollar actually moved through only a narrow window overnight. It must be said it's around 112.30 against the greenback at the moment, so a little bit lower than where it was earlier on in the day, but still relatively stable. And UK gilts, their government bonds, they jumped around a little bit, but nothing on the scale of what we saw previously. So hopefully this will be a sign of things to come when it comes to UK financial markets, which are casting a bit of a pall over sentiment in Europe in particular. US markets a little bit weaker. They are responding to more aggressive talk from Fed officials about future rate hikes. The S&P 500 came to rest with a loss of around 0.8% a short time ago.
Okay, so is that where we're going to kick off? We're going to kick off 0.8%, are we?
Yes, we'll kick off with a loss of around 0.4% as far as the local market's concerned today.